This quiche is made to order. Layer on the fabulous fillings, from vibrant spring veggies to delicate cheeses. This elevator Easter brunch lets everyone perfectly pick their plate. Recipe creator Amy Richardson is here setting up the most darling Easter brunch you've ever seen, of course. Hi, Amy.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
How
are you?
I start out with a hug for my Amy, just the best. I was just asking about her beautiful brain and where you come up with this. Why quiche? What made you think of this?
Well, you know, I was just kind of thinking, what are some of our favorite things that women like to eat or families like to eat, and what's kind of spring and Easter and parties? And I thought, can you do a quiche party? But I found that go on Amazon and things magic happens. You can.
Yes.
So
I mean, look at this gorgeous display. We were just saying it's fresh, it's vibrant, it feels so Easter. It feels so spring.
Well, I think the fresh vegetables, having the fresh herbs, all those kinds of things is really what brings spring into it. And the great thing about this is that everybody can make it how they like. Like you think, is quiche too sophisticated for children? No, because they can just make a quiche that just has ham and cheese in it, or bacon, or eggs.
And everyone's happy.
Anything, yes, and everybody can make what they like.
Yes, yes. Okay, I'm intrigued. Obviously, you're saying we're gonna slice and dice, but this is really a simple concept. It's just getting everything together, and you saying you've store-bought a lot of it.
Right, everything actually in this is bought. Yeah. Like from the crust to, you can even buy sliced. I mean, the most work I think I did was draining the artichokes and cutting the tips off this asparagus. Yeah. I mean, like, this is nothing. This is an easy setup. The mix is nothing. When you see it all come together, you'll be like, what in the heck?
Okay, well, let's see it all come together.
Okay, so what I thought would be fun is just choose fresh ingredients that you think that everybody will kind of like. You could do whatever you wanted. Yeah. I kind of went with classic stuff like artichoke, zucchini, you know, arugula, fresh herbs, any kind of cheese. You can put out, people can specialize it, but you can also just choose a favorite cheese that you love, just a good melting cheese.
What's your favorite good melting cheese?
Well, you know, all the expensive ones, but they are so expensive right now, like $17 for a tiny little block. So I just did mozzarella. I love mozzarella in it, and once you add your like seasoning mozzarella, because it's so yummy and melty, it's just a good cheese.
It's a good melting cheese. Take it from Amy Richardson. Okay, and really quick before we move on, what are we buying these? Where are we getting these molds
so these cups? Little tart pans that you can just buy. They're just like a disposable tart pan. You can get them on Amazon. It was $8.99 for 50, which I didn't think was too bad. And you could get it same day. So I thought, excellent.
All right, Amazon.
So Amazon came through for me because it was just my dream idea that there's a tart pan you could throw away.
And these are the perfect size.
Aren't they just like the most darling size? And then I actually bought, because I was thinking, how do you do the crust, or do we even do a crust or what? But I found that you can just get cutters also from Amazon, same day. Yeah. You can do a fluted or a straight edge works. Just get a 4-inch cutter. Yeah. And then that's it. And it fits right into the bottom with a little bit of side.
Okay.
It's great.
So what are we doing for the crust? We start with the crust.
So the crust, you just want to buy your crust. If you want to make it, but you can also buy it.
Here.
Yeah, buy your crust. I mean, it's Easter. We're trying to get things done here. We have stuff to do. All you're going to do is buy your crust, and then you're going to cut out your dough, like so. And you can get, I found that you can get 6 out, especially if you spread this just a little bit with a rolling pan. Yeah. And then you can piece the last one together. Sorry for that person, but
that person doesn't care. Give it to your husband. He won't care.
That's right. He won't care. And then all you're going to do, just grab one. And we'll put one together.
She says, go for it.
Okay. Is you're just going to press your dough into it just a little bit. So like that's for all ages. Can do that, right?
Yes.
Super easy. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put into this part, so you can just have it all displayed. I thought it would be fun if you wrote their names on it, on the parchment, so people can see whose is what one they've made, because when they bake, they might all look the same. So if you kind of have them write on it with a Sharpie on your paper, or however, then they can mark it on the tart pan too.
Okay. Now we're going to do the filling.
So
we're going to get to the quiche part,
what we're going to do is you can put in whatever you want.
Toppings next.
Your toppings you can put in, if you want to start assembling one. I can make this if you want while we're doing that.
You make, I'll assemble.
Okay, this is basically just 8 eggs. Okay, so 8 eggs. And I thought, do I really need 8 eggs if I'm just doing half of these? Actually, those little things hold more than you think.
Okay, so you do need 8 eggs.
So you do need 8 eggs. And what we're going to add to that is a half of a cup of milk and And you can use cream. Cream is classic tradition in quiche, but I like sour cream. So I'm doing a half a cup of sour cream in there, and salt and pepper, and then that's it.
That's it?
Yep, you can add lemon zest or something into it if you want to,
okay.
but that's it. Oh, look at yours, looks so good. You've done it really
says it looks
well.
good, then I think it looks good.
It's really good. Okay, that is
Here
good. You put the ham, I've got Black Forest ham in there, bacon, peppers, mushrooms, the artichokes. You can do artichokes like, the kind that are marinated, but I actually just thought I thought I'll try just the canned kind, like, you know, Del Monte.
Yeah,
They drain them, they're delicious. They're so yummy. Even if you just put a little bit of olive oil on those and salt and pepper, that would be so yummy on a salad. So I've actually never tried those before.
Love artichokes.
I do too.
I love artichokes.
I do too. Okay.
Okay, so once we finish this mix.
Is done and the mix is done, so when you're doing a party, you might want to just say, let's put it in a cute pitcher.
Okay.
And then you can, you know, just have it pre-made ahead, because this isn't that much work
Look at
to
her.
make that.
She's got it.
Okay, so then you just have, you just do that.
So then I'd put it on the tray.
You put it on the tray.
Right, with my name.
I should have put Dalen on there.
Fine.
Dang it.
It's fine. Okay. Here we go.
You're just
How much am I filling it up?
I just filled it about right there.
Yeah.
You can drizzle it with a little olive oil. You could put a little bit of a sprig if you wanted it to look really,
I do want it to look really
like that. Put a little salt and pepper on it.
Okay.
And then you just pop it in the oven. Have everybody assemble them, pop it in the oven. They bake up in like 20 to 25 minutes, and they bake up just huge and puffed and gorgeous. And then when you take them down, then they look like that. And it's so fun.
And they still look gorgeous and beautiful.
Gorgeous, yeah. And you can have the kids go do Easter egg hunt or something while they're baking, and they come back in and it's all done. Serve it with a salad and fruit.
Easter, amazing, but also great for shower season in general.
That's what I kind of thought. And it is girl food. I mean, I think our husbands would like it too.
Girl meal.
But yeah, but it is. We do love a fresh thing.
It's so yummy. It's so beautiful. Of course it is. Aim, where can we follow along with you?
Just find me on Instagram at Amy Parker Richardson, and that has the links to everything. And the links to all of this will be on your website as well.
So kind of you. You're the best. Thank you. I can't wait to eat this a little later on in the show for me. Sorry. Yeah. Thanks, Aim.